We'll take this equation 39y cube and in bracket 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. So this is the factorization division of the factorization. So here you can clearly see that there are two parts. This part has to be divided by this part. So let's first write in the correct format 39y cube 50y square minus 98 then divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. Okay, now what is the first step? That whenever we solve any equation, we have to first take out the common factor from the equation. So there are two parts of the equation here, 1 and 2. So let's solve these two parts separately one by one. So we'll first take up 39y cube and in bracket 50y square minus 98. So now the first step being taking out the common factor, we'll keep 39y cube as same, and inside the bracket we can see that you cannot take out any common factor, but these numbers are very big. So let's factorize it first. Make it as 2 multiplied by 25 y square. So we always factorize in order to make the equation easier to be solved, minus 2 multiplied by 49. So here what we can see is that from these two we can take out 2 as the common factor. So let's solve it. 39y cube and in bracket take out the common factor 2, and then what is left? 25y square minus 49. Okay, so here what we can see is that now we can easily factorize it further. This is 25 and this is 49. So 49 is the square of 7, 25 is the square of 5. So in the next step what we'll do is 39y cube 2 and then multiplied by, then this will become 5y whole square minus 7 square. So this will be our next equation. Now we have these two in the form of a square minus b square, right? So these two can be solved with this help, that is a plus b and a minus b, that is one identity to solve this part of the equation. So what is a here? 5y and b is 7. So a is equal to 5y and b is equal to 7. Further we'll write as 39y cube, and then what is the next step? That multiplied by 2, and then we will write it as 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7. Put these two in bracket and close the bracket. So this equation, the first equation, becomes this now. So what we'll do is we'll try to analyze, can we sort this equation further? No, because there is no common factor here. So we will write 39y cube, this equation, in form of this: 39y cube multiplied by 2 and in bracket 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7, and close the bracket. The first equation is written like this, divided by 26 y square 5y plus 7. So now we can see that this and this is common here, so this will go away, and then we'll divide it further, we'll solve it further. Y square and y cube, so that will become 39 multiplied by 2y divided by 26, right? So y square and y cube, so that will become 3 minus 2 y raised to the power 3 minus 2, that is only y. So y is this 39 multiplied by 2 divided by 26. And now further we can see these two are common, so we can easily cancel it and then write 5y minus 7. This is y. So let's try to solve it further. So when we multiply 39 by 2, what do we get? That is 78 divided by 26 y, and then 5y minus 7. So now this is only simple calculation. There we get 3y 5y minus 7 as our answer. So this, I find it very easy to calculate. Only point is that as you see the equation, you make your planning that what are you going to do here. Here you saw there are two equations. As per the rule of the factorization, we first take out the common factor. So we tried taking out the common factor here, right? In first equation we took out the common factor, and then we applied this identity, and then we factorized this first equation as this, and then divided it by the second equation, and then rest everything is simple calculation based on the concept. So I hope you understood this well. More you practice, more you will be able to solve it easily.